Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to July Junk Journal Challenge 2025. And it's hosted by Lee's Art and Junk Journal Wonderland. And so today I'm playing catch up, and I'm going to do prompts number 11, 12, and 13, which are scribbles or doodles, window or peek through, and map. And I'm just going to combine them into just one layout. So for my scribbles, I've got just like this little circle right here, and I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. And basically I'm just going to make some shapes, like square shapes and rectangular shapes. I'm not real good at this, but I'm just going to give it a shot. And basically, I'm just going to start filling it in. Okay, so here's my doodle, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to punch out a portion of this doodle in the center. I'm going to try. I don't want to mess it up, but actually I think I should probably fussy cut it out, because I want to create like a window. And so I'm going to, let me just turn it on this side so we don't see the circle in case I mess up. And I'm just going to take the marker, and I'm just going to trace around this edge, and then I'm just going to cut this out. Okay, and then I'm just going to take some plastic. I had some leftover acetate, and let me zoom out. I'm just going to glue this on there. First I'm going to distress going around the edges. Alright, so we're just going to glue this one here. And I'm just going to fussy cut this out. And now we're going to find a page to decorate. Okay, so I finally finished it, and we have scribbles or doodles, window or peek through, and map. So the windows or scribbles is from where I did some doodling on this little circle, and then I cut it out and I kept the remaining piece of it and added it on here for like the tag, which has the prompts on it: scribble, doodle, window, peek through, map. And for the map, I have like a little piece of some scrapbook paper that has a map on it. So I used that, and so since it was a map, I figured it'd be like a destination theme or a travel theme. And I have some leftover scrapbook paper from, I think it was Echo Park. I'm not real sure. Anyway, and then we just have some little bits and bobs. This one was from Whispers of Time on my Ko-Fi shop, and then I also had, that's also Whispers of Time, and then I just had little bits of other little things like embossed paper, ticket, and then just, you know, stamped images, words, and things like that. So that concludes days 11, 12, and 13. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites, and check out Ko-Fi if you like free digitals. And if you want to participate in the July Junk Journal Challenge, and you want to show your creations on social media, just use the hashtag JJJC2025. And yeah, so that's it, and thanks for watching, and happy crafting.